Greetings everyone, and welcome to another edition of our video tutorials and features. Today, we're exploring Birdview's multiple spaces functionality, which gives you the flexibility to organize your work based on themes, goals, or departments. Whether aligning with your team's functions or client base, Birdview empowers you to enhance productivity and streamline your workflow. To create a space, navigate to the drop-down located in the middle of the menu. This is the so-called Spaces Hub, where you can create a new space, manage its settings, and check projects inside using a well-known activity center. The general setting allows you to customize your space at any time after its creation. In the Members section, you can manage users' access to the space. It's crucial to understand your space's goals, ensuring you invite the right people and manage their access levels based on their roles. Note that each space should have at least one administrator, and this administrator doesn't necessarily have to overlap with the organization's administrator. As we navigate further through the space settings, to establish custom fields and workflows, you have the flexibility to incorporate existing custom fields and workflows created globally or create entirely new ones specific to this space. This customization empowers you to tailor your projects and your activities in the space according to your preferences without being distracted by items created by other managers. Need to transfer projects between spaces? No problem. You can move a project using the context menu, or relocate several projects simultaneously through batch operations in the Activity Center. Keeping in mind that projects and their activities will be entirely moved from one space to another, while assignees, workflows, and custom fields will be copied and retained in both the initial and the final space. Now, projects, custom forms, and save views are all consolidated within a single space. It's important to note that these elements are no longer shared across different spaces. There are no globally stored projects, save views, or custom forms. This refined structure ensures a more focused and an efficient workflow tailored to each specific space within Birdview. We hope that you can make the most of multiple spaces functionality for all of your project and management requirements. Feel free to share any of your suggestions or feedback with us at success@birdviewpsa.com.